This robot is one of two a few students created as part of a school project.
I always like building stuff, so I used to play with Meccano all the time. So it's kind of like this stuff. So it's cool to get to do it in class and get a mark on it.
The students were in Edmonton this past weekend for the VEX robotics competition. Nearly 40 teams across the province were competing against one another. This was the first time for these students.
It had to have something that could lift a beanbag and put it in either a trough or slide it on the floor or something like that. So you had to have some way to push or move a beanbag around. And then it had to have wheels, obviously. We didn't do really well. We had lots of malfunctions at the start. The robot wouldn't work properly, but I think we problem solved enough when we were there, and we figured it out for that. Our last two matches were really well done.
The competition was fierce, but for these guys, the chance to compete against others was fun.
It was really cool to see how much time and effort lots of different groups had put into it, I guess. There was some really big and crazy robots going around there, I guess.
What we're trying to do is meet the needs of, or the interests of some of the students here at the school. There's a growing interest in robotics within the province, various competitions, and students want to be involved in that.
For those students who will return to the competition next year, they now understand what works and what doesn't for their next robot. And they'll also be looking for a better outcome.
We didn't come in last, which is important.
Nera Manisa, NewCap News.